gonna be a short video. I'm just opening up 2 $1 packs, and that's it. Nothing. Sorry, I didn't really show you. I got something I saw. A Raichu and a Alolan Raichu GX tag team. Okay, the packs opened suspiciously easily, but I somehow got an ultra rare. Here are all the cards I don't care about that I forgot to show. Purloin, Magneton, Fletchfinder. When I don't know what a Pokemon is called, I just basically skip it, and Magmar. And the reason why I said the packs open suspiciously easily is because they could have been resealed. That's only like a thing that people that sell things on eBay do.